Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem a Duolingo promo code, step by step. So if you got a code and you're not sure where to put it, don't worry, I got you. Alright, so first things first, open up Google Chrome or whatever browser that you like using. Safari, Firefox, anything that works. Now in the search bar, just type Duolingo redeem code, then hit enter. You should see a link at the very top that says something like duolingo.com. Go ahead and click on that. Once the page loads, you'll see a very simple box that says enter code. This is where you'll want to paste or type in the promo code that you have. Make sure to double check your spelling. Promo codes are usually case sensitive, and even one small mistake can make it not work. Now, once you're done typing it in, go ahead and click the redeem button. Give it a second to process, and boom. If your code is valid, your Duolingo Plus or whatever reward it came will be activated right away. It's super quick and easy. So just to give you a little extra info, Duolingo promo codes are often used for things like free Duolingo Plus, extended trials, or special discounts. Sometimes they're given out during promotions, giveaways, or even by teachers and schools. But remember, most promo codes have an expiration date and can only be used once, so don't wait too long to redeem them. And that's it. You're all set. If the code doesn't work, try checking if it's already been used, expired, or typed incorrectly. If you're still having issues, you can also contact Duolingo support. They're super helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and if this helped you out, feel free to leave a like, and I'll see you on the next one.